shooting this in 4K, and this is just in my kitchen, under my kitchen overhead light here with some diffused light coming in from the window. I have the sun mostly blocked off. Now these are some of the rocks that I got from the rock pile myself when I was up at the Sterling mine the other day, which you can see the video. I'll put the link to it down in the notes section. But even just by themselves, these pieces look pretty nice, like there's a lot of other things embedded in it. And some of them look pretty plain, but once we get under the black light, you'll see them very nicely. This one looks quite plain, it's just like, if you saw that in the ground, you'd think that was just like an ordinary rock. But we'll look at that later this evening when it's dark. But I just wanted to show you these right now, and you can take a look at them. And what did I pay for these? Well, I had paid the entrance fee for the tour, and then the entrance fee for the rock pile I think is $5, and then any rocks that you want or pieces are $1.50 a pound. So this is only like 2-point-something pounds, so it wasn't very expensive. But okay, that's it. That's what I got, and we're going to look at this under the black light here when it gets dark. Okay, it's nighttime now, and I just have the overhead kitchen light on, and we're going to be using two different UV lights. This one here is my UV flashlight, which is not too expensive. It's good for shining things around the house and, for my uranium glass and a few other things, but it doesn't work really good on the minerals and the rocks. It's too high of a wavelength. You have to have this other type of light, which is at 254 nanometers is the setting that we're going to use. Now it's not very bright and it's quite dim, so we have to hold it close, but we're going to look at it here. So let me go turn the lights out, and we'll see how it looks here. Okay, this is my plain old ordinary little flashlight. I don't know if the camera is going to pick this up. It is quite dark, and you can see there is some coloring on the rocks as I hold it here, and I turn some of these over here, and hopefully you can see that on there. I don't know, but okay, we're going to turn this off now and put the other one on, and this is the 254 nanometer one, and maybe you can see that. I have to hold the light quite close here to get all the different colors. So we're going to turn some of these over here and turn them around so you can see them. And remember how they look? They were just like dark rocks, and there's the greens and the reds and the various colors in there. Remember that one was dark on one side, but on the other side, as we turn this over, you see how they glow. And they do have some afterglow. After I turn this light out, I doubt if the camera will pick it up. They'll continue to glow very slightly for a couple seconds. Now, if I had a more powerful light, one I could plug into an electric outlet, but they're hundreds of dollars. And even this little light here was around $40 for the very short wave light here. So, and you can see this on here, how beautiful they are. And like I said, I have to hold this close. There's a nice greens. And this one over here is pretty much all reds in there. And there's a little bit of green in there on that side. So it looks quite nice as I bring my light in here on these. And there's some nice greens on this side here on that one. So there you go. They look pretty good, but I can only see them with my handheld light because I don't want to spend $250 for a one I can plug in that I'm only going to use every now and then. So very nice, very beautiful how these are here. Okay, I think that'll be the end of that here.